Well, the puppies are starting to walk around. Their eyes are open. My goodness, they were born 20 days ago. My dog is whining at me. I don't know what he wants. What? What? I think he wants out of the pen to go run around and stuff. Zoom in on that. What do you want, nothing doing? This is my dog. He's climbing up on me. I don't know why he's doing that. Nope, no jumping. He's upset about something. I think it was all the rain. Maybe he didn't like the rain. Is that why? Let's watch some more of the puppies. Oh, those two guys are starting to wrestle. Stop pushing me. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.